do. A long time ago, I made me a rule. Let people do what they want.
The Dugan clan made some of the best westerns. Someone's robbing the bank? Not on my...
Now this saddle up and ride! Yeah! Take you back to the hideout, Snake! Adios! Tin Horn, I'm riding off into the sunset. Or an escape from this discovery. That's what will be your fate. Sorry, partners. Not making this up as I go.
Unbeliever, disturb the treasure of the gods and you shall all pay with your lives.
Competition for the role, producers actually considered a younger unknown actor by the name of Clark Gable. They felt as though Miller was not muscular enough to play the role. Since then, there have been at least 50 adaptations of the film, including Disney's 37th animated feature movie, Tarzan. Not in Kansas anymore. How often do you get to say that? Looks like we're somewhere over the rainbow, one of the most beloved movies of all time.
Yes, and the dark news is spread. The Wicked Witch at last is dead.
The Wizard of Oz.
Just try to stay out of my way. Just try. I'll get you, my pretty, and your little